My name is Mohammed Shata. I'm working for Vodafone Group. My role currently is ITOM Solution Owner. I am part of the architecture team who is defining the roadmap for the next 5 years for the ITOM operations bridge as part of the program which is done by Vodafone to transform all of the local markets into a single pane of glass using the ITOM Ops Bridge products. We have a complex setup of monitoring. Let's say, for example, I can distribute them into 3 categories. First one is that I have different data centers in different locations, different countries, and so on. These data centers, we are applying, for example, micro-focus tools, and at the end, they are connected to one global ops bridge. So here I have an integration between micro-focus tools to micro-focus tools. Let's say, for example, manager of managers, data collectors to manager to minds, and so on. On the other hand, we have also third-party tooling, which is being used by the local markets, and they are invested in this. So they need to keep some of them, for example, they don't need to replace it during the transformation and so on. So we have a pretty much good integrations, which in all levels, level of metrics, level of events, level of topology as well, which is very good for us. We have also a set of, maybe you can say, a native cloud monitoring, like for example CloudWatch and so on. There is a native integration which is done by Micro Focus. There is for Azure, for cloud, for Google Cloud. So there is a pretty much management packs which is provided by the Ops Bridge, which facilitating these integrations also as well. So at the end, we will have a single pane of glass for all of this hybrid tooling into one place, which is the Ops Bridge. Micro Focus has introduced the collect once, store once concept, where we have a single data lake for all of the metrics into one place as well, which enable us to do reporting, do dashboarding, do analytics, do machine learning, and so on. Our technology is going to machine learning right now, which helps us as well to correlate of metrics, correlate of events, correlate of logs from one place. So now Micro Focus is using a vertical database, which is a base for analytics, which is a good point that we can build up on it, machine learning and so on. One important point as well, which is the DevOps, how Micro Focus tooling is compliant with DevOps concept right now. I see that there are a concept of monitoring as a code, which Micro Focus is currently now investing in the APIs, investing in the codes as well, so that we can enable the DevOps life cycle to empower the developers to add their monitoring during their development as well. A successful IT operations team, I have a proactive monitoring to what is going to happen due to the new technologies for analytics, prediction, machine learning, and so on. Also, I have a good response time from reactive monitoring as well. So as long as there is a problem, I can see where is this problem immediately, what is the root cause as well, what are the symptoms, how can I differentiate between these operational events, also what is the business impact from these IT issues or IT events into the business service level, and how it is impacting my business as well. Currently, we are building the single place for the metrics, so that we can have the raw data for what you need in the future, which is analytics. Now we have the service intelligence module, which is built upon of this data lake, where we have all of the information there. Second step is also machine learning, which is we probably invest on it. I'm also keen about how can we correlate between robotics and what we have from the monitoring as well. I know that robotics is mainly for the process automation and so on, but also it can be I need to upgrade the level of automation, not only to access one system to remediate a problem, but also I can use the robots to maybe go to different systems and fix the problem in different places, not only in one place.